Good morning everyone. In this video we'll talk about the surrogacy laws in India, what's its legality. First of all, in 2002 it is legal in India. It is valid in India. Anyone can have a surrogate child in India. Celebrities like Karan Johar, Shah Rukh Khan have kids from surrogacy. Later in 2012, a report has been submitted which stated that 2 billion money has been earned from surrogacy, which is a big amount. In reality, it's become a commercial hub. Foreigners came to India, invest here, and they get easily their child in cheaper amount because the ladies who reside in India are bit less educated to understand the term what is surrogacy and what its impact. Well, what is surrogacy? Surrogacy is a pregnancy to conceive a child in another woman's womb by a couple. There is a case, Baby versus Union of India. In this case, it is stated that the facts of the case is that a German couple came to India, conceived a child in a womb of Indian woman, and later they get divorced. The legality, the status of child was in confusion. The court gave the status of the child to the grandmother, which is German. So there is a bill passed in 2016, which is unfortunately can't be passed because of the dissolution of parliament. Later in 2019, a bill is again passed, which is amended, which requires some amendments, and in 2020 a bill has been enacted with the given amendments. One of the main key highlight fact of the 2020 bill is that you have to find a surrogate mother in your own close relation first. Later you will go for the another woman. Well, it is a controversial in nature. Still there is a committee working on it. The bill is yet not present. It is in under working position. Well, there is a case Suchita Srivastava versus Chandigarh administration. In this case, it is said that according to Article 21, a woman has also right to live with its own dignity and respect and its own choice. Well, there are women who don't want to conceive child because of their own physical problems or because of their own choice. So surrogacy is one of the option which is related with some new technical techniques which go through with another woman. Well, if we talk about surrogacy in its nature and how many its type, there are two types of surrogacy, traditional surrogacy and gestural surrogacy. In traditional surrogacy, you have to conceive the sperm of another man with your own ovum and to give your womb for the procreation of their child. So here, biological mother is the surrogate mother, but the legal parents of the kid are those couple who want to surrogate the child. The second, which is gestural surrogacy, which says that the ovum and the sperm will be of the couple and the surrogate mother will only conceive the child. Later on, they give the child to the couple and the legal parents and biological parents both will be the couple. In India, the need of this bill is that, the main aim of this bill is that the women are getting exploited very easily. They do this work for a cheaper amount and later on they face the consequences. So union plus state governments find this bill attractive and still it's under committee as I earlier told. So there is a committee working on it and working on the basic guidelines of this bill which are still under confusion. As I earlier mentioned, one of the key highlight. That's it about the bill. I hope it will help you to get a new topic related to law. Thank you. Have a nice day.